Hi, today is the 17th of April and today we will look at the charts of Hindustan Unilever and Heromoto. This is the weekly chart of HUL. It's a very nice, beautiful uptrend, and where we can see that this was wave 1, 2 and this is kind of wave 3 finishing over here. And wave 4 is here and wave 5 has gone up, and then there was a correction. So let us now zoom in on this price action on the daily chart. On the daily chart you can see that this went up pretty impulsively, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then came down in 3 waves. And not only did it come down in 3 waves, it came down in a very corrective fashion, overlapping fashion, and in the last part of the decline there was a slight bullish divergence in the RSI. Subsequent price action you can see is clearly impulsive, and now it has gone up to the midpoint of the channel, and this seems to be the first confirmation of the buy signal. We of course bought it about 4 days back. Basically on the intraday chart there was a nice buy signal, but in the daily chart now the buy signal is definitely there. So what are we looking at? We are certainly looking at this chart, this stock to go through this channel and make new highs. That would be the minimum expectation. So what would be the targets? The first target I would feel would be 1937, but higher targets are definitely very much achievable. Another very exciting thing which you see on the chart, go back to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart you will see that this decline, 3 waves. Look at the RSI. The RSI actually is showing a reverse positive divergence on the weekly. This is a very strong signal, and the price action from here on should be very fast and very smooth to go to its targets. So this is all about Hindustan Unilever, an exciting chart to analyze and maybe to trade at. So next let us look at HUL. So Heromoto on the weekly chart, again very nice impulsive stair-step movement to the upside, and then it had a major correction. The major correction to these lows, and if you look at the correction, this was again in 3 waves, and this final decline is another overlapping decline. But the interesting thing to watch here is the major bullish divergence in RSI between these lows and these highs. There is a major bullish divergence, and therefore we called a bottom on this chart 2 days back and said that it is ripe for a reversal, and the price action since then has been pretty interesting. On the daily chart you can see that the stock is really taken off quite nicely, and it has again broken through a base channel. The channel has been broken, and therefore the rise now should accelerate, and our stop loss would be somewhere around the middle point of the channel, around 2650. But we will be certainly looking at these highs and these highs to be taken out in the days and weeks to come by. This is a very classical 3-wave decline. So this is a WXY formation, 1 WX and Y. So these are the 2 charts, both starting with HUL and Heromoto, which should do quite well in the coming days and weeks. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.